Hi, gun people. Somebody explain to me what's going on here. I don't know how I came across this. Somebody sent it or something, but I'm just like, what the hell is happening here? Look at this. So, I'm assuming we had a delayed fuse or a leak, or I mean, I don't even know if that's in the Air Force. For our heavy weapons, we had a 81mm mortar, 90mm recordless rifle, and a 50 caliber, and those were our heavy weapons that we had. I mean, grenades aren't really considered heavy weapons, but those were considered our heavy weapons. So I'm assuming that's an 81mm mortar. I don't remember seeing one put on the track like this, but I guess it would be able to shoot from a track. Is this an 81mm mortar, and is that a delayed fuse? I mean, I'm not even sure how the, I don't remember if it armed, if it had to go so far before it armed. So, did the warhead not arm because it didn't travel? That just seems odd as hell to me. Okay, let's watch it again here. What the hell is that? Alright, hopefully somebody in the comments can explain, because this seems pretty, I mean, even when he drops it in, it almost like he doesn't clear his hand. He leaves his hand up close like it's gonna... See, why would you put your hand there? That almost tells me he's kind of fake, or this guy's not used to loading it. Watch his hand go inside the freaking barrel. If it had fired, it blew his hand off. What the hell's up with that? Alright, somebody hook me up. One of my Army guys, or Marines, or Air Force who shot this. Well, in that there.